हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD। तो सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं कलर नेम। येलो कलर, येलो कलर। लाइट ग्रीन कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर। रेड कलर, रेड कलर। स्काई ब्लू कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर। लाइट ग्रीन कलर। A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. Z for grapes, Z for grapes. Red color. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker. K for king, K for king. L for lion, L for lion. M for mango, M for mango. N for nest, N for nest. Yellow color. O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rainbow, R for rainbow. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Sky blue color. V for van, V for van. W for watch, W for watch. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.